na sumisikat sa Canada at Amerika ang Filipino girl group BINI. Bago ang kanilang parating na Signals World Tour sa Canada ngayong Agosto, nakausap ng Omni News ang grupo para alamin kung ano ang mga maaaring maasahan ng PhilCan Blooms dito.
First question, di ba, pupunta kayo sa Canada. We're very excited for the tour. Anong maaasahan sa bagong tour nyo?
We'll make sure po na every stops, different po yung pinapakita namin. So meron po kaming mga gimmicks na hinanda and meron po kaming bagong songs na ipa-perform, which is yung bago naming album na Signals EP.
Every time you look at me, I blush. I get butterflies with every touch. Love it when you're talking all that ooh la la la.
And we'll make sure po na we always give our best, same good quality and excellence po yung performance namin na bibigay. Yes.
You know, you also did a Canada tour previously. For those fans na gustong manood ulit, anong maasahan nila na pagkakaiba ng tours na yon?
Ay, last year lang pala. Oh my God. A lot has happened. Pero yes, for sure, hindi naman kami pumapayag na same lagi yung pinaperform
Yeah.
namin. We always give new to our audience. So yeah, watch out for it. And kung hindi pa kayo nakakabili ng tickets are still available.
You know, following that tour nga, you know, you guys had your Coachella performance and then na-awardan kayo sa Billboard Women in Music. And I feel like doon nakilala kayo ng North American audience. So, anong gusto niyong ipakita sa North American audiences tungkol sa mga Filipino artists?
We hope that American audiences know that us Filipinos, we have a lot of things to offer. We are very much known for our music, our talent, and ang daming mga Pinoy na sobrang mas soulful sila when it comes to writing music. And with that, we can be wherever parts of the world just because of our music. And just like kami din, nung nakapunta kami sa Coachella po.
Yes, kamusta nga yung Coachella experience niyo, you know, as the Filipino group to play there? How did that feel?
Of course, the moment that we stepped out on the stage and nakita na namin na nag-wave ng Filipino flags yung mga blooms namin, kami naghihintay, talaga kami makapaniwala that it's finally happening and we get to do this. Malakas pa kami, alam mo yun, mga bata pa kami. So we're just so grateful that that happened and sana makaulit kami. Sana maka-perform ulit kami sa Coachella. Not just us, but also all the OPM artists. Yeah.
And then another thing that you guys are also going to be a part of is yung Forgotten Island soundtrack, di ba, na nag-drop yung song nyo. So also tell us, you know, kamusta yung paggawa ng song for that? What was the process?
Yes, it was a memorable experience for us kasi parang na-feel namin na we're telling our own story kasi yung movie talks about friendship and dun nabuo din to kung bakit kami nagsistay ngayon and bakit 7 years na kaming BINI because of our friendship. Yun yung core namin as a group. And hindi lang yun hindi lang yung ganda nung song yung nagpa-excite sa amin, but the producers, the songwriters, kasi they're also half Filipino. So, mas naging madali yung work and sobrang light lang, right, Ate Maloy?
Yes, you're very, very right. And then when it comes to recording naman, I feel like that it's one of the most fun, one of the funnest recording that we did kasi parang ang light lang niya, parang hindi namin na-feel, wala kami na-feel na any pressure. And like Joanna said, parang sobrang approachable talaga ng mga producers knowing that they are from DreamWorks. Big deal talaga sa amin na maka-work sila. So, sobrang nag-enjoy talaga kami during that recording and nag-translate siya sa na-put out namin na song. So, if you not listening to it yet, give it a listen.
When you were making the song, like, what was the process? Did they approach you, or did you volunteer to collaborate on the soundtrack?
Actually, napakinggan namin yung song first time sa Philippines. So we had a Zoom call and doon namin first time na-meet yung mga producers. So doon nila in-explain yung goal ng project na to. Pinakita sa amin yung ibang clips para lang meron kaming idea kung paano namin kakantahin yung song. So, ayun. And then we went to LA for the recording. Doon nangyari yung magic.
Yes, and with your future music, I mean, I know you put out the EP Signals recently, but anong maasahan natin sa direction of your music coming up?
Ate Che, explain.
I think the direction is not too far from what we've been doing, but something leveled up. And of course, as we release our songs, gusto namin na nag-expand yung knowledge namin sa iba't ibang klaseng styles ng genre. And yeah, I think the next songs are one of them is very different. And then one of them is kind of close to a certain song we have. Ayoko yung spoil eh. Yeah. We recorded like two, and then one more. And then more.
Walang teaser na pwedeng ibigay.
Bawal!
Final question na lang is, anong mensahe nyo para sa Filipino-Canadian fans nyo dito sa Canada?
Hello to our Canadian Blooms. Thank you for your never-ending love and support for Beanie. We cannot wait to see you there, to have fun with you, to sing and dance with you all. And ayun, maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa Beanie. Yun lamang po. Thank you.
Gaganapin ang unang Canadian stop ng Beanie Signals World Tour sa August 18 sa Vancouver. May mga stops din sila sa Calgary, Edmonton, Winnipeg at Toronto. Kisha Balatbat, Omni News, Toronto.